Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change the slide size in Google Slides on your phone, Android or iOS. It doesn't really matter. It's the same for both of them. Now here's the catch. The mobile app doesn't have a direct option to change slide size, but don't worry, here's what you can do to change the size of your slide. Simply open Google Slides app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged in. Now simply tap the three bars on the side of your Google Slide and simply go to the settings option right here, or you can simply open one of these slides and click on the three bars and choose share and export, and here you can open your slides through Safari or Chrome. That makes it like a desktop version of Google Slides. Now simply tap on file and page setup. Here you can pick standard 4.3 or widescreen, that is 16:9 ratio, or choose custom and enter your own dimension. After that you can simply hit apply and your slide size will be updated. So even though the mobile app itself doesn't support it, this desktop side tricks lets you change slide sizes right from your iPhone or iPad. And that's it guys, easy way to control your slide dimension on mobile. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Google Slide tips, and let me know in the comment section which slide size you prefer, widescreen or custom. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.